Good evening, everyone. So today is a special day for me. I am going to take interview on behalf of you people of Mr. Prakash Gaurav Goyal. He is right now ICICI Prudential AMC Limited Senior Fund Manager. He is qualified chartered accountant. He qualified in year 2002. He did his articleship from Mahajan Ibra and PwC. And after qualification, he joined ICICI Bank. So he basically started his career from ICICI Bank. Then he joined Hindustan Unilever Limited. Then he joined ICICI Prudential. And right now, as I said earlier, he is senior fund manager of ICICI Prudential AMC Limited. He got 30th rank in foundation. In Inter, he topped India, so first rank in Inter, and in final, he again performed very well. He got third rank. So over to Prakash.
Thank you, Amit. First of all, thank you everyone for connecting today. I am Prakash Gaurav. I born and brought up in Gorakhpur. I've been extremely fortunate. Like many of the people in 90s, I also born in the lower middle class, and we were three brothers, and all of us worked while studying, helping each other, and so in my early days, I worked in warehouse. I did tuition and learned a lot from people around. I came to Bombay in year 2000 and was reasonably fortunate to get jobs into the good companies and admission into RVG, where I met bright people like Amit.
Thank
Uh,
you very much
so
for your compliment.
right. So I as I said, I consider myself very fortunate to got being placed around with people who were brighter than me, and all those things got rubbed into me. Uh, One thing where I had benefit is that over focused, or rather very focused to what I wanted to do. So we were discussing about preparation, about how to think about CA foundation to enter. Like many of you, being a North Indian, studied and from a lower middle class family, was studying in Hindi medium, and first exam that I had to appear in English was CA. So right from the day one, things were not easy, but I always believed that your biggest weakness is your biggest strength, and your biggest strength is your biggest weakness. What this essentially means that if you know what is your weakness and you work towards it, it can kind of become your strength. So like my many colleagues in my hostel, I used to see everybody studying along with Oxford book dictionary next to them. I was not very different. I used to study the same way. I used to make notes, and we were very sure that two reading of the studying material will not help, because in the two reading we'll know what is written inside, and third reading probably will be able to memorize or understand the rationale behind it. So the 14 months from day one to the examination, you were very clear that how many hours every day you have to put in, and then the working backwards started. So all those things went. So that was about how we appear for the inter.
प्रकाश,
Uh,
you came from
yeah.
Hindi background like me. तो मैंने फाउंडेशन हिंदी मीडियम में दिया था. आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट यू वेदर यू अपीयर्ड इन फाउंडेशन इन हिंदी मीडियम और इंग्लिश मीडियम. मेरा तो इंग्लिश मीडियम इंटर से स्टार्ट हुआ था बिकॉज व्हेन आई गॉट एडमिशन इन राजस्थान विद्यार्थी गृह जो बॉम्बे में अपना हॉस्टल था जहां हम लोग मिले थे. वहां से मेरा इंग्लिश का बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा बहुत स्टार्ट हुआ. उसके पहले तो कंप्लीटली हिंदी बैकग्राउंड था. तो आपका क्या बैकग्राउंड रहा है?
मेरा फाउंडेशन मैंने भी हिंदी में दिया था. मेरा भी इंग्लिश
एंड यू
का
गोट
पहले था.
30th रैंक क्योंकि उस समय तो हिंदी में कुछ बुक भी अवेलेबल नहीं थे इफ आई रिमेम्बर करेक्टली.
हाँ, बट एक्चुअली काफी मेहनत भी की थी और काफी लकी भी था कि मैं वेयर हाउस में काम करता था उस समय, और मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे, दे शेयर देयर मटेरियल. इनफैक्ट आई हैड थ्री फ्रेंड्स. With your permission, I take their name: Gaurav, Roshan, Abhishek. They were the one who filled my form for CA, and they were very very helpful. And despite Hindi medium being tough now, so what used to happen that I was slightly updated. Say uh, I one of the advantage I had over others that I did my 10+2 in finance or other commerce. So I understood accounting and other subject. Issue was math and statistics, and I was reasonably bright student, or I was first in school. So it helped me to clear the hurdle of these subject. Biggest challenge was math and statistics, and I think that point of time you have to score minimum 20 in maths to pass the exam. And because I was working full time, I had no time to study calculus, differential calculus, integral calculus, and had no practice. And obviously paper used to come reasonably difficult. And where the luck helped me is that I got exact passing mark in maths, and that threw me to rank 30th. Otherwise, had I have scored like a normal student, my rank would have been very different, even in foundation. But had less preparation on that side. Now coming, so that was the CA foundation. Inter mein to we came to Bombay, and all of us we used to study along with Oxford. A good thing which I probably helped me is to translate the book, write notes, small notes. येलो स्टिक आता था उस समय भी, अब आई एम श्योर अभी भी आता होगा, वो बुक में साइड में लगा के वी यूज्ड टू राइट मीनिंग ऑफ एवरीथिंग,
तो
मीनिंग
मतलब
ऑफ
हिंदी
एवरीथिंग।
में समझने के लिए यू यूज टू राइट हिंदी मीनिंग, और क्या करते थे आप बेसिकली?
उसका बेसिकली समरी लिख लेता था कि ये इसका मतलब क्या हुआ।
हिंदी की इंग्लिश में? जस्ट फॉर
टूटी
माय
फूटी
नॉलेज
इंग्लिश
एंड ऑडियंस नॉलेज।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में लिखता था, बिकॉज एग्जाम इंग्लिश में लिखना था।
हाँ,
टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में लिखता था। अभी भी पढ़ते हैं तो काफी याद आता है कि ये ग्रामेटिकल एरर होती है। से लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ बैरियर in exam like CA. You are not going to be judged for your English, you are going to be judged for your knowledge.
करेक्ट,
So
एब्सोल्युटली डैम।
be confident, please be confident. The most important thing is knowing the subject. If you know the subject, no language will stop you, because everybody wants to give work to people who are sincere, who knows the subject. And if you know that you are the worthy person, you should be confident about it. तो मैं इंग्लिश ब्रोकन इंग्लिश में लिखता था, ब्रोकन और वट एवर आई कुड राइट इन द एग्जाम। इंग्लिश टू हिंदी में एक बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज क्या हो गया, एज आई सेड द बिगेस्ट वीकनेस इज योर बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ, कि सबका क्यों ये बुक लिखी है, किस साल में लिखी गई थी, कितनी बार चेंज हुई है, बिकॉज यू आर स्टडिंग सो मेनी टाइम्स। वो कामा का भी डिफरेंस, क्यों कामा लगाया क्यों कामा नहीं लगाया, वो भी मालूम चल गया। तो वो उसका बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज हुआ। और तो वो एक मुझे लगता है कि दैट प्लेड अ वेरी क्रूशियल रोल in helping me to do well in my CA examination.
ओके, तो यू गॉट फर्स्ट रैंक इन सीए इंटर। आपको कैसा लगा? ऑब्वियसली मैंने भी देखा आपको हार्ड वर्क करते हुए, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू सी यू। और पहली बात है कि हिंदी मीडियम वाला बंदा इंग्लिश में एग्जाम देता है, ओके, एंड गॉट फर्स्ट रैंक इन इंडिया, जहाँ सामने आपके सामने कॉन्वेंट एजुकेटेड थे, ओके, बाकी भी अच्छी कॉलेजेस से पढ़े हुए लड़के थे। यू बेसिकली गॉट फर्स्ट रैंक, हाउ यू फेल्ट दैट डे?
I was very committed that कि मैंने जितनी पढ़ाई की है, जितनी तैयारी की है, मैं टॉप 10 में। फिर देन यू डोंट नो कि द कंपटीशन लेवल क्या होगा। एंड ऑब्वियसली एट द रिजल्ट पीपल अराउंड मी एंड माई सेल्फ वॉज वेरी इलेटेड, एंड ओनली गुड थिंग विच हैपेंड टू मी वॉज माई ब्रदर टोल्ड मी कि जितने लोग तुम्हारे आसपास ताली बजा रहे हैं, सब जाकर बोलेंगे फाइनल में फेल होगा, क्योंकि ये सर चढ़ जाएगा। So he kept me grounded. He kept telling me that boss, जितने लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं, हर आदमी जाके बोलेगा तुम फाइनल में फेल हुए। And that actually motivated me a lot. And obviously, as a sibling, I told him, "Bhai, you don't worry, I know how to do it." So while I said that in the moment of heat, but it actually told me within, boss, this is not the end of the journey. This is just the beginning. So I kept in fact, I remember very clearly, one by one people were coming to greet me, and I was actually opening the CA final ka book and trying to study.
Oh, that even I was not aware. क्योंकि congratulate करने तो मैं भी आया था।
I was trying to study. So that I tell myself, I was not telling the world that I actually don't believe in telling others. I was telling myself is that, "Ki boss, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning, and all this praise and applaud are temporary." It's like no मैरिज हॉल में आप कभी गए हो, शादी होती है तो उसी दिन सारा सजावट होती है, 2 दिन बाद सब उखड़ा हुआ रहता है.
सही
तो
बात.
लाइफ ऐसे ही है. यू कैन नॉट फोकस ऑन द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ अचीवमेंट, यू हैव टू मूव ऑन. द बिगर पर्पज इन लाइफ वाज नॉट टू जस्ट कम सीए फर्स्ट एंड लाइफ एंडेड देयर. सो वो इट हैपेंड. प्रॉब्ली आई वाज मोर blessed at that point of time. I generally feel that I'm very like no I've benefited a lot by the generosity of people around me. And probably some of the people maintaining temperament is also very difficult part of the CA exam. And because of the hardship that I and my family probably would have gone through in those 5-6 years, the temperament was extraordinary. Nothing can beat me type. Nothing can derail me, or nothing can beat me. In fact, I used to see people around me that after 2 nights of lack of study, lack of sleep in the final inter exam, not being able to go and do well. I was like, seeing my brothers around, I was completely resolved that these 6 nights or these 8 nights, 3 hours is more than enough. 2.5 hours is luxury. 3 hours is luxury. So I'll revise the entire curriculum. Those days, paper used to happen back to back. I'm not sure how it happens now. So temperament management was very, very important, and that also helped a lot.
एक्चुअली आई वुड बी वेरी कैंडिड विथ यू, क्योंकि हम लोग भी डिस्कस करते थे हॉस्टल में, तेरे सामने नहीं करते थे, बट हम लोग बोलते थे ही ऑलरेडी गॉट फर्स्ट रैंक, सो डिफिकल्ट टू गेट इन टॉप 10. सो आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू कि हम लोग के जो ग्रुप के अंदर बातचीत होती थी तेरे बारे में, तो हम लोग यही बोलते थे कि वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन इन द पास्ट कि जो फर्स्ट रैंक लाता है वो फाइनल में फिर थोड़े नीचे आ जाता है. रैंक आती है काफी जनों की, लेकिन टॉप 10 के अंदर इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एंड boss, you got third rank, so it was really surprise for us.
अमित, इसके पीछे एक छोटी सी स्टोरी है विदाउट टेकिंग टू मच टाइम. आई वाज लैंडेड अप इन द जॉब इन फर्स्ट डे महाजन आइवरा. एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई वाज इन हिंदुस्तान लीवर ऑफिस, and being very curious as a person, I asked my boss ki how to get that job, and sarcastically he said, CA में फर्स्ट आ जा, ये जॉब मिल जाएगी. And probably he was sarcastic and I was very serious about it. So I felt that this is the job I needed. And exactly 3.5 years down the line, I was doing the same job in Delhi, the same level job. So dreams come true. People around you, you don't need to worry what they are saying. What you need to worry is that how that will help you. That everything has to help you to reach what you want to do. That is very, very important. We can move to the next question.
Okay, tell me why you have chosen CA. कोई दूसरी डिग्री क्यों नहीं आपने चूज की? What was the reason behind choosing CA?
To be honest, in 90s, even till now, the biggest poverty alleviation program that government of India is running is a chartered accountancy program. So the 3,500 rupee was the total fees, and I could earn while I'm studying, support my family back. There was nothing else which can give me that kind of comfort that we don't need to worry, because there's some compensation coming, and if you get a job in a better company, they will give you a good, decent stipend, and you will be able to manage your family. So I was beneficiary of that scheme of poverty alleviation scheme, as I discussed, and it's going on. I'm very thankful to RVG, very thankful to ICI. In fact, just to tell that audience that institute waived off my fees. In fact, I was among the very few candidates who got the complete refund of the CA fees which I submitted, because I asked for the waiver, and actually they granted me.
तो बेसिकली आपने डे वन से रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट के ऊपर आपने फोकस किया. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव चूजन सीए, सो मैक्सिमम रिटर्न कंपेयर टू एनी अदर डिग्री. चलो,
ये एक और चीज थी कि मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज था जब मैं जॉब कर रहा था गोरखपुर में. मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे 3, अभिषेक, गौरव, रोशन. These 3 gentlemen choosing the CA for me. They convinced my father कि पढ़ने में अच्छा है, कर लेगा, स्कूल में भी फर्स्ट आया है, कर लेगा. एंड टोटल 800 रुपी फीस होती थी, उन्होंने मेरे बिहाफ पे जमा कर दिया. देन माय फादर गिव इट टू देम, एंड द पॉइंट इज दैट तो ये मेरे पर थोपा गया था, ये मैंने चूज नहीं किया था। अगेन जो होना होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, एंड दोस थ्री गाइज टू बी नीड टू बी गिवन लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट ऑफ वेयर आई हैव रीच्ड टुडे।
No, even I am thankful, and I think on behalf of me, everybody will be thankful कि इसके बहाने हमको आप जैसी पर्सनैलिटी से मिलने का बहाना मिला, and you are too inspiration to many of us. So after CA, okay, you already got the rank in final also, third rank. आपने फिर कभी additional qualification के बारे में सोचा कि you should go for MBA or any other degree, maybe CFA or something like that, or you never thought about this?
नहीं, मैंने काफी कोशिश भी की एक्चुअली। क्या होता है, जैसे आई सेड दैट योर बिगेस्ट वीकनेस इज योर बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ, एंड योर बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ बिकम योर बिगेस्ट वीकनेस। बिकॉज आई वाज डूइंग सो वेल इन करियर, the opportunity to move out of career and do pursue something new become very difficult. I thought of doing for an MBA at some point of time, but obviously the finance was constant at every point of time while I was studying, so it never worked out. CFA I did level 1, I did very well in that, but beyond that some issue happened in family. Like, no, I was married, my wife was not keeping well, and then I just moved out of it. And then probably since then the होता सगुन नहीं बना कि कुछ आगे पढ़ पाए. But my humble suggestion to students today is that don't chase degree. Like, no, when I hired people in my previous jobs, in current job, when I look at people, I don't attach too much value to too many degrees. The common sense, like, no, basic degree and common sense is far more important than anything else. CA plus CFA is good enough, or CA plus MBA is good enough. Don't do CA, CFA, MBA, everything. Like, I meet people, keep meeting people having multiple degree. If you get opportunity, like, a lot of people complain about lack of communication skill, etc. For CA. I said, read about psychology. Psychology is a subject. If you're working in bigger teams, bigger organization, you have larger pursuit in life, you want to do something worthwhile. If you read psychology, it will help you to evolve as a person. So when you get time beyond what you do, so sometimes useless knowledge is very useful in doing something very creative. So don't pursue too many degrees in the same field. You might think that you have an edge over the guy who doesn't have the degree. I never felt so. I feel what is most important is to first to be sincere towards what you're doing. If you are sincere towards what you're doing, like, no, I was telling Amit, when I used to go to articleship in PW, I used to feel out of 30 articles, my managers would remember every time me that any problems he comes with, she should think, where is Prakash? I learned coding in 1998. I was very fortunate. My father was very fond of computer, and I got enrolled, and I learned coding, and that coding helped me to run Excel sheet much faster than my peers, and that edge is still there today. I run Bloomberg faster than my peers. So I used to be the favorite article of my manager, and I'm very proud about this fact that I used to feel so good about looking out for Viris Prakash for the next assignment. The message I want to give to students, that people I see that they say I will focus on CA, I will do articleship later. So what will you do with the CA degree? How will you realize the actual potential of the degree unless you learn how to deal with the work? And if you build a brand, when you think about Lifebuoy, when you think about Fair and Lovely, they stand for a brand, and you are a brand yourself. So people think of that I'm dealing with Amit Jain, I should expect XYZ. That has to get created in mind of people around you, and that can only be done through a consistent behavior and very focused approach. So don't take your articleship easy, lightly. Don't think it deviates you or derails you from the path of studying or being a good chartered accountant. Rather, merge the two. Seek more opportunity to work in offices. Learn. When you do well, people will give you better assignment. And when you be sincere, you learn a lot. And the day one after CA, after having the degree in hand, you will get better assignment. So I was actually, despite passing out in 2002 when you had the 9/11 impact on the broader economy, lack of job, etc., one would think that a lot of job came to me because of my ranks. And I personally felt a lot of job is coming to me because I had very diversified experience during my articleship. I was a chosen one to go on a lot of assignments, which was there on my CV, which was very difficult those days to get. I had worked in milk procurement plants, ice cream plants, a pesticide plant, a pesticide distribution system, mutual fund, and what not. So point is that be sincere in what you're doing, create a brand for yourself, and just don't focus that मैं किसी तरह से CA pass हो जाऊँ and I'll be worthy of a job. You are worthy of much more. Don't restrict yourself. Try to do more. Try to increase your circle of competence, and that will help you a lot.
So, guys, learning for you. Take your articleship seriously or just try to solve the problem. क्योंकि अगर आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर बन गए, सी प्रॉब्लम इज एवरीवेयर, सो इफ यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व इट, obviously you are going to go up and up in your career. Prakash, the next I would like to know how you used to do the time management basically in foundation, inter, final. Now अभी ये थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है क्योंकि पहले क्या था जब हम लोग ने पढ़ाई की, सो कंटिन्यूसली हमारे एग्जाम होते थे वेदर इंटर और फाइनल, ठीक है। तो इंटर के अंदर भी जैसे 6 सब्जेक्ट थे हमारे समय, अभी 8 हो गए हैं, एंड फाइनल में 8 पेपर्स थे हमारे। हमारे को छुट्टी नहीं मिलती थी, और मेनली जो 7वां पेपर था जो आज भी वही है, डायरेक्ट टैक्स। सो डायरेक्ट टैक्स वाज किलर सब्जेक्ट बिकॉज यू यूज टू गेट ओनली 10 to 12 आवर्स टू रिवाइज एंड विदाउट एनी लीव। तो 10-12 घंटे के अंदर अगर डायरेक्ट टेस्ट के पेपर भी आप 1200 पेज ऐसे पलटो तो भी हर मिनट के अंदर आप एक पेज पढ़ोगे तो भी कंप्लीट नहीं होगा। सो इट एक्चुअली boiled down to the question that how you prepared it because there was no holiday in between। जो अभी आज की तारीख में इनको लीव मिलती है बच्चों को, पहले लीव हम लोग को नहीं मिलती थी, if you recollect।
No, truly, that was very painful experience. But I tell you how to go about it. See, when you study at the first go, try to learn the rule, and how to learn the rule is to by know the exception. Then there will be exception to exception. So what I used to do in the VK Singhania books those days, I think it used to run in 1150 pages. Every page was linked. Read, refer back page number 650, refer back number 32. This is section 10. See, I used to start reading the book from the preface, which talks about how this book was written. And that used to help me a lot to understand that chapter 6 of Income Tax Act is deduction or something of that. This is chapter 1, chapter 2. So, and these many articles are under this chapter. So if I'm talking about chapter 2, which is exemption or something like that, that one, I think chapter 1 is exemption, chapter 1, section 10. So if I'm that, it is definitely about not being included in the GTI altogether. And if I'm in chapter 6, it is about deduction. So deduction is something which will be deducted from the GTI to arrive at a net taxable income. So point is that conceptual clarity will come when you read the book thoroughly, connect it back. And I used to make, as I told you, that yellow stick note I used to make in the book, referring back. I used to target solving every problem. See, whether you are in costing, financial analysis, accounting, or direct taxation, if you read the solution of the problem, it will not help you. You have to burn the oil and write down the solution. When you write down, you will realize the timing part of it. Majority of the student I saw in the CA, I realized that it is impossible if you don't practice to complete the paper in 3 hours.
Absolutely correct.
You will miss out writing particulars. You will miss out as on balance sheet date. You will miss out for the period ending. You will miss out the unit rupees in million, rupees in crore. The biggest mistake people used to do in financial analysis, the unit part which was written on the paper, say rupees in crore. If you forgot to write that when you are solving the problem, you are worthy of being zero. You are at the mercy of examiner to give you some mark. And those days there was no step-by-step marking. A wrong answer is a wrong answer. That's the reason so many students used to do. So I used to practice. There used to be suggested answer book, and I tell you honestly, Amit, when I used to look at suggested answer book, I always them found them to be near perfect. You know why? That they will never miss out mentioning a unit. They will never miss out the total. In fact, writing total, word total. And if you see the student, because they don't practice solving the problem. See, now in context of all this, it become very essential to do the time management. Uh, so if you pursue many courses, you will not be able to manage the time. I used to uh, that दोहा था ना, एक साधे सब साधे सब जाए. So there was a single-minded focus of doing so well in CA that nothing else is required. And I tell you, Amit, haters or people who don't like you will keep saying you don't have this degree, don't have that degree. It doesn't really matter. It really doesn't matter. I've learned to communicate. I speak in bigger audience. I represent my company at various panels, etc., etc. Communication is just knowledge and ability, the confidence to communicate. It is not English. Language is not a barrier. It is in our mind. What will happen 2 3 times when you speak? Probably you will not have limited vocabulary. That could be one issue, that your vocabulary can be limited. But that doesn't stop you from learning the new words. Like, no, I still feel my vocab will not be beyond 2000 3000 letter, or probably 2500 letter. But if my job is such that I'm communicating with people who understand me, I don't need to learn beyond that. I'm learning psychology, I'm learning my stuffs related with my job. Now coming back to time management, it is extremely essential and important to realize that you have, say, 13 14 16 18 months, whichever is there. You say 2 months is holiday, I'm very tired because I've gone to this XYZ training program or XYZ this. I have taken every day very seriously. When I had no assignment in office, people used to bug me that you have book in hand when you know have no assignment. Okay. I learned in Bombay that if you want to learn English, you have to talk to girls, because girls used to speak in English and boys used to speak in Hindi. And I realized that if I don't speak English, I will not get a good job after qualifying CA. So all my inhibition to avoid talking to girl, I just said, you need a good job. You need to overcome this fear. And even if it means you being like, no, being not liked by people, even if it means that you being insulted by people, it doesn't matter. End of the day, say today, in last 20 to 23 years, Amit would not know how many times I have been humiliated. What Amit can see, what I have achieved. So what matters is your ultimate goal. And as long as you are sincere, as long as you are honest, it really doesn't matter who thinks what, who says what. You just need to focus what you need to do, and focus will help you a lot to move forward. So timing, don't do too many things. Just focus on this degree, focus on article 7. Do very well on this article 7. If you have good company, it will give you huge confidence to do well in your job also. Say the people talking about MBA having edge in the presentation, CA has an edge of office etiquette on day one. You have been groomed to deal with people in office, which no other degree gives. So engineers come from colleges and get into factory workshop. They can't tolerate that environment for 3 hours. And you are part of what you're going to become right from day one. You have a huge ecosystem adaptability advantage compared to your peers. So don't say everybody has advantages and disadvantages. We need to learn and move forward. And time management, coming back to time management, study very hard, keep targets. I told myself in inter and final, before going on leave, I will complete entire curriculum with solving each and every problem in writing, not even on the, and making notes for every subject. So those 3 months, I used to study 15 to 16 hours. It sounds like a joke, but it was really a joke that somebody can study those many hours. I used to take quick sleep break of 5 minutes, and my mother used to say, "What are you doing? Like 5-minute nap is what I used to sleep at 2, and 2:05 was the alarm, 3 alarm next to me, and I used to get up and study again. So all I'm saying that very very important to be clear that if you put it all, it will give you back. Back to you, Amit.
ऑडियंस को मैं बता दूं कि हम लोग जब आरवीजी में पढ़ते थे, सो दैट टाइम मेस फैसिलिटी नहीं थी, क्योंकि हाई कोर्ट की तरफ से स्टे लगा हुआ था। तो हम लोग के लिए टिफिन आता था उस समय। आरवीजी राजस्थान विद्यार्थी की तरह जो बॉम्बे के अंदर सीए का हॉस्टल है, फेमस हॉस्टल है, तो हमारे लिए टिफिन आता था। तो हम लोग के लिए एक्स्ट्रा वर्क भी होता था। कैसे? जैसे उस समय, आज तो आरवीजे शानदार है, लेकिन उस समय इतना अच्छा नहीं था। ठीक है, तो हम लोग 4th फ्लोर पे रहते थे। तो आई वाज इन 402 एंड ही यूज्ड टू स्टे इन 407, इफ आई रिमेम्बर करेक्टली।
Yeah, 407, you're right.
तो हम लोग 4 माले से नीचे उतरते थे पानी भरने के लिए। पानी ऊपर नहीं था, पानी भरने के लिए नीचे जाना पड़ता था। खाना खाने के लिए ऑब्वियसली जाना पड़ता था, लेकिन याद रखिए उधर मेस नहीं था उस समय, मेस के ऊपर स्टे था। तो स्टे था, तो इसलिए ब्रेकफास्ट से लेके लंच डिनर सबकी टेंशन थी। तो खैर, सुबह से लेके शाम तक क्या खाना है उसकी भी टेंशन रहती थी। एंड रिमेंबर, वी वर हैविंग लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज, फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज, तो थोड़ी वो टेंशन बढ़ जाती है। एनीवे, तो कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, सो
नहीं
टाइम
मैंने
मैनेजमेंट इज
अमित
वेरी क्रूशियल।
अमित अब मैं आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बता रहा हूँ. लैक ऑफ रिसोर्सेज इज नॉट चैलेंज फॉर टाइम मैनेजमेंट. अबंडेंस ऑफ रिसोर्सेज इज चैलेंज फॉर टाइम मैनेजमेंट. हमारे टाइम पे हमारे पास मोबाइल नहीं होता था, हमारे पास टीवी नहीं होती थी, इंटरनेट नहीं होता था. तो
करेक्ट।
चीजें दो ही थी, खाना अरेंज करना था और पढ़ना था.
हाँ, ये बात एकदम सही है, हमारे पास और कुछ था ही नहीं।
तो ये जो लैक ऑफ रिसोर्सेज इज एक्चुअली एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि आपके पास काम ही नहीं है, करोगे क्या. प्रॉब्लम अदर वे होती है. आज के बच्चों के सामने जो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, 50 चीजें अवेलेबल हैं, सारे गैजेट्स अवेलेबल हैं. मेरा सजेशन यही रहेगा कि अगर आप टारगेट रखकर काम करो कि आज मुझे ये कंप्लीट करना है, घंटे के 8 पेज पढ़ने हैं. मैं हिंदी मीडियम से था, इंग्लिश मीडियम में मैं कि 1 घंटे में 7 इंग्लिश के पेज पढ़ने हैं या 9 पेज पढ़ने हैं, सॉल्व करके पढ़ना है. तो ये सब चीजें आप रखेंगे अपने सामने, तो फिर क्या होगा, आपने 7 घंटे रखा, दिन के 14 घंटे के टारगेट रखे, राइट. तो आपको मालूम चलेगा मैं भैया दिन के 98 पेजेस पढ़ना चाहिए, 300 पेजेस 3 दिन में खत्म करना है. तो ऑटोमेटिकली सारा कुछ वर्क बैक करेंगे तो अपने आप ही किसी चीज के लिए टाइम नहीं बचेगा. टारगेट रखेंगे टाइम मैनेजमेंट का, दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. एंड नो वन विल एल्स विल अंडरस्टैंड यू बेटर देन योरसेल्फ. बिकॉज से हमारे एक अंकल थे, वो बोलते थे कि अगर आपको स्वर्ग जाना है तो मरना खुद ही पड़ेगा. यू कांट आउटसोर्स द जॉब ऑफ डाइंग इफ यू वांट टू सी द हेवन. सो time management is basically putting a target for yourself which is stretched and not being unsincere or like casual about it. Back to you.
ओके, सो गुड, गुड टू हियर दिस। मेरे हिसाब से आप लोगों के लिए काफी हेल्प करेगी। सो एज आई सेड, नॉर्मली मैंने बोला भी है कि जो आवरली प्लान होता है जो आप लोग मेरे से मांगते हो, मैं ऑलवेज बोलता हूँ कि यू पीपल, एवरीबडी इज ह्यूमन बीइंग, वी आर यूनिक कैरेक्टर, करेक्ट। तो सबके ऊपर सेम प्लान फिक्स नहीं होता, so it is up to you to decide whatever suit you. Now my next question, ऐसी कोई गलती जो आपने सीए की स्टडी के समय की हो, जो आपको लगता है कि अगर आज मेरे को वापस मौका दे सीए इंस्टीट्यूट तो मैं वो करेक्ट करना चाहूंगा, तो ऐसी कोई गलती जो आपने स्टडी के समय या एग्जाम के समय या आर्टिकलशिप के अंदर जो आपको लगती है कि मेरी सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक थी, और जो आज आपको मौका मिले, अपॉर्चुनिटी गिवन, देन यू आर गोइंग टू करेक्ट इट?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट हमें बहुत सारी गलतियां होती हैं, और क्या होता है कि ओनली you do well because probably others are doing even more mistake than you are. Some of the things which I want to correct, like मैं अभी भी देखता हूँ सीए फाइनल में मेरा 3rd आया था, जिसका फर्स्ट आया था उसका मेरा 31 मार्क्स का गैप था इन इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स पेपर.
कौन से
He got
पेपर?
80. इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स पेपर में मेरे 53 आए थे या 54 आए थे, उसके 85 आए थे. और हमारे टोटल मार्क्स के डिफरेंस 19 नंबर का डिफरेंस था, 19 to 20 मार्क्स का डिफरेंस था रैंक में, रैंक 1 और रैंक 3 में. और इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स के पेपर में देयर वाज अ चैप्टर ऑफ ज्यूरिसडिक्शन. मैं पहली बार पढ़ा, मेरे को नहीं चमका, मतलब नहीं समझ में आ रहा था. और प्रॉब्ली द वे आई एम वायर्ड, द वे आई एम कोडेड, मेरे को डेजिग्नेशन से बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं हो पाता है, मतलब आई डोंट फील फैसिनेटेड अबाउट द डेजिग्नेशन. और वो मैंने पहली बार पढ़ा, नहीं समझ में आया, मैं कहा नेक्स्ट टाइम पढ़ूंगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर बर्डन लगने लगा, टाइम वेस्ट होने लगा। फिर मैंने अपने आप को बोला ये आएगा नहीं, वो मैंने छोड़ दिया। एंड रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री, देन रैंक 1 बिकम रैंक 3। Obviously, it's very impolite way of saying the guy who has come first must have worked harder than me in every aspect. But all I'm trying to say that कि selective approach, 80-20 approach लगाना जरूरी नहीं है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा मेहनत किया जा सकता है। दूसरा चीज़ क्या था कि जो मुझे लगता है कि which I can, if I go back and if I have to correct myself, probably I was ओवर ऑब्सेस्ड दैट मेरे को सीए में ही अच्छा करना है। ये सब बहुत सारी चीजें सीख सकता था उस समय था ऐसा नहीं कि और पढ़ सकता था या अपने सॉफ्ट स्किल पे बहुत काम कर सकता था। आई वॉज वेरी सक्सेसफुल इन वॉट आई वॉज डूइंग, बट दैट एक्चुअली मेड मी मोर गेटिंग मैरिड टू वॉट आई वॉज डूइंग rather than looking out for increasing my scope of or the increase my competence zone. For example, after doing CA, when I was doing well in HLL, I could have taken up courses to improve my soft skill. I thought that my job will help me, but I would have been even better to improve my soft skill. Third part, I think, which I learned in the age of 32, 33, is that society at large matter a lot. You're not the center of what you call gravity for the, what do you call it, the center of attraction, center of gravity for the world.
You can say.
So being useful to others help you a lot, being personally contented. I think during CA days, because obviously the obsession to do well, I used to be very, very secluded. I never used to do group study. I never believed in the concept of asking anybody question. I used to prepare because, I used to feel that people try to show that what they know and try to make others nervous. And so I used to do self studies. I never used to reach out to anybody for the shortcut or for the how it has been taught in the coaching classes, and had no resources. Obviously, we discussed, Amit, that had no money to pay to the coaching classes. So my suggestion is that bring more positivity to yourself, human angle. That will help you a lot as a person while you grow. Many more people around being positive about you will help you grow much faster. Probably that experience I had at the age of probably 33, but I had a massive illness, and I was probably on bed for a couple of months. That taught me that all of us are good people. There's no doubt about it. But being good is different than being good to others. You're generally a good person, but indifferent to a lot of things. Taking out time, helping people, all those give you a lot of internal satisfaction. And I would have grown much faster and probably done much better if the skill which I have taken up probably 7-8 years back, I have taken much back in my career. So 3-4 things which I would change. First is obviously don't miss anything. Second, be helpful to people in general. It's not that I was not helpful. It's just that I did not have time for anything else. And probably third part, identify your area of weakness. And instead of learning everything on the job, I could have done courses those days. See, resources were abundant the moment I became CA because I got one of the best job then. And I could have worked on the skill set which I was missing and probably have moved forward much faster. So keep identifying your next area of improvement. Promise yourself every year that I will move up on the scale of these 3 things, these 5 things, and that will help you a lot in your career, in my humble view.
So guys, to conclude, what Prakash is saying was important question नहीं देखना. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि important question you are not supposed to see. There are no important question in CA degree. आप important देखोगे, then it is recipe to the next attempt and it is going to spoil your career. तो भले ही आपका टारगेट क्या है, रैंक लानी है या if you would like to clear just CA, always remember there are no important questions or topic in CA degree. So माई क्वेश्चन टू प्रकाश नाउ, जो आजकल के बच्चे मैंने देखे हैं वो बोलते हैं कि भाई सेल्फ स्टडी से यू कांट क्लियर द सीए, तो कोचिंग इज कंपलसरी एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये मार्केट, आई शुड नॉट से बिकॉज इट इज लाइक क्रिटिसाइजिंग अदर, लेकिन कभी कभी क्रिटिसाइज करना पड़ता है बिकॉज नॉर्मली जो टीचर्स आजकल के वो बोलते हैं कि कोचिंग के बिना सीए क्लियर नहीं होता, फॉरगेट अबाउट रैंक। तो मैं इन लोग को बोलता हूँ कि भाई मैंने तो बिना कोचिंग के किया था बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट हैविंग फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज टू गो फॉर द कोचिंग, बट obviously I am not the ideal person to tell about this. You are rank holder, first rank in inter, final, third rank. So you tell us, guide the audience whether coaching is compulsory or you can also clear with flying colors with self study.
No, it depends on individual. See, I would one point answer: do what helps you. If you think that you cannot read yourself and you need somebody on your head to make you study, it go for tuition. But just realize all these coaching classes runs at a pace of the most, or probably the, I wouldn't word use the word most idiot, probably the lowest IQ guy in the class, they will run at that pace because they have to create, it's like, माँ का हाथ का खाना वर्सेस कैंटीन का खाना, because कैंटीन का खाना is a bulk cooking, it has to meet everybody's taste. So it means the oil has to be 2x 3x of what goes in your home cooking, because otherwise it is not personalized. Coaching is not personalized. Your self studies can be. Second thing is, when you form group to suggest and discuss, just be careful of selecting right people. Lot of people just try to highlight their knowledge rather than helping others. So be very careful, choose what helps you. Don't fall in the trap because others are doing it, I need to do it. And many times, in fact, I remember not only me, all the people around me who cleared with very high marks and rank were not going to any coaching institute. Coaching institute will make them like, you used to spoon feeding. Paper pattern used to change every alternate year. The exam when I appeared, I'm not sure of now. And if you don't study from the material yourself, the coaching tuition will learn the change pattern after a lag of a year. After people say, sir, आपने जो पढ़ाया था वैसा नहीं आया. Method of asking question changed. So if you study yourself, you will be able to answer those questions well, because end of the day, your base knowledge and application of knowledge. Today's age of computer, base knowledge is available at Google. Application of knowledge is far more important. Coaching will not teach you how to use your own common sense to use application of knowledge. It's a borrowed common sense. So sorry for Amit, I'm spoiling your business, but
No, no, no
I
issue.
would
I'm not here
I
to.
would I would recommend people to understand borrowed method of application of knowledge can take you not very far. Your common sense is gifted by God. Use that, and that will help you a lot. And today, all section, nothing need to be remembered. Everything there is a click of button at Google. All you need to know how to understand it. And if somebody else is teaching you, you will have limited advantage over the one who's learning himself. Back to you, Amit.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आजकल के बच्चे क्या करते हैं प्रकाश, यू वुड बी सरप्राइज, दे आस्क ऑन द सोशल मीडिया हु इज द बेस्ट फैकल्टी। और फिर क्या होता है कि जो मार्केटिंग वाले बंदे होते हैं, मतलब जो फ्रेंचाइजी होते हैं, जिनके बिजनेस होते हैं, दे क्रिएट फेक प्रोफाइल एंड दे सिट दिस इज द बेस्ट फैकल्टी। बिकॉज द बेस्ट फैकल्टी, इफ इवन इफ यू वुड लाइक टू गो फॉर द कोचिंग, इज ऑलवेज वेयर he can clear your doubt, he can give personalized support, so that is more important. And rather than that, if you are able to do the self study, go for self study. So every individual is different, someone need coaching, someone don't need, but without coaching also it is possible to clear CA and get first rank or third rank or 10th rank or 40th rank. So Prakash, my next question to you is basically, sometime I feel, I mean, when I used to work in industry, because in some area, CA lacks compared to MBA. CA are very good in technical knowledge, no doubt about this, no doubt about this. But in some area which I personally felt that CA lack compared to MBA or any other degree, like in presentation skill set. So I have seen जब मेरे को है ना जब मैं क्वालिफाई हुआ तो मेरा बॉस बोलता था कि भाई तेरे को प्रेजेंटेशन देना था तो मेरे को रात भर नींद नहीं आती थी ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को टॉपिक नहीं मालूम था या मैं प्रेजेंटेशन के लायक नहीं था लेकिन क्या होता था कि मेरे पसीने छूट जाते थे कि बॉस कल प्रेजेंटेशन है मैं बोलूंगा कैसे तो बोलना आता था लेकिन जैसे स्टेज फियर आप बोलते हो ना जैसे स्टेज पे चढ़ते ही पैर धूजने लग जाते वो धूजने लग जाते थे तो जो नॉलेज थी वो भी नॉलेज जाती रही कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल gone down. So what do you think in which area normally CA lacks and how to improve that area?
No, first of all, I like to. I would want to people to believe that it everybody goes through a learning curve. I used to tell myself, I tell my friends and my kids also, अपनी माँ के पेट से कोई सीख कर नहीं आता. Everybody learns here. Somebody is probably 2 years ahead of you. Somebody is 5 years ahead of you. And if you join the journey of learning, it's a matter of time. You will catch up. And most important thing in communication is the knowledge. If you believe that you know more than the guy who's listening to you, you don't need any language to communicate. It will get communicated. It will get communicated. So focus on knowledge. Focus on knowledge. And the day you have confidence that you know more than others, your mouth will open up by itself. In terms of soft skill, please take up courses. It will help you a lot. Just like MBAs have the experience of presentation, CA have the experience of know-how of being in office, working 8-10 hours. Most of the engineers and MBAs have never been to the real office. And you have been working under the ecosystem of working with a large team, various projects, which is a real life experience. Nothing bad about a course or something. Everybody is different. Everybody has different advantages and skill set. And same as the disadvantages. If you are in job of scientist, I don't think a job of scientist need any kind of marketing or any kind of communication. But if you are in the business of selling the science, you need to know how to communicate. So choose the field you are in and whatever skill set needed. First of all, don't start with the disbelief that you don't know this. It's just that you have not put effort. It's just that, see, I can communicate well. 20 years back, probably the only thing which when I landed up in Bombay, I could say my name is Prakash Gaurav Goyal and I'm from Gorakhpur. So it doesn't really matter. It's a journey for everybody and it starts at some point of time. Today, if you ask me to speak in Japanese, I will probably start the same Prakash Goyal 20 years back if I have to make presentation in Japanese. So journey has to start. You need to be cognizant of what you need extra, what you need to excel in what you want to do. Once that clarity is there, all this will come. Fear is good. Fear of failing is good. It makes you work hard. Fear of not being able to present is good because that makes you doubly prepared. So there's no harm in having the fear. But if the fear is so big that you're not going, you're not able to speak or you're frozen at that point of time, that is when the struggle is. So if a lot of people are available, a lot of courses are available today which can help you with that. But please, for God's sake, don't start with the notion that you lack in this subject. I think neither CA nor MBA nor CFA is, you don't lack anything. It's just that you need to start. It's a journey for everyone.
Guys, so language is not a barrier. Your mind is barrier. So this is basically conclusion, whatever Prakash said. तो हम लोग सोचते कि हम लोग हिंदी बैकग्राउंड से आए सो रिमेंबर इंग्लिश इज जस्ट ए कम्युनिकेशन लैंग्वेज इट इज नॉट मोर देन दैट इट इज नॉट योर नॉलेज okay so ultimately knowledge is more important than anything else and obviously combined with the hard work now Prakash normally I have seen the previously जब हम लोग मतलब सीए कर रहे थे उस समय जो सीए होते थे वो फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर के अंदर मेनली इन शेयर मार्केट दे यूज्ड टू डू वंडर्स लेकिन अभी जो मैं देखता हूं अभी जो मेनली जो फाइनेंशियल इंडस्ट्री है उसके अंदर मैंने देखा कि कहीं ना कहीं सीए पीछे होने लग गए, whether I talk about banking sector or share market or commodity market or NBFC. So I have seen, mean my personal experience, कि कहीं ना कहीं जो ये जॉब हुआ करते थे, जो सीए जिसमें अच्छे हुआ करते थे, आज की तारीख में मैंने देखा है कि एमबीए दे आर डूइंग गुड लाइक इन इक्विटी रिसर्च, okay, or any other job. So what do you think, what a candidate like a qualified CA or let's say semi-qualified CA should do to get the success in the career?
I personally feel, see what has happened, Amit, that in the last 15 years, people have started pursuing multiple courses. So a lot of MBAs you are talking about may have been a CA before and then did MBA. And even students and people I'm meeting today, they have 3, 4 degrees. I get really confused. Why did you do engineering, then MBA, then CFA? Then so all those kind of combination we keep meeting. Multi-skilling has become a part of the life. Second, in the last 10, 12 years, the technology has taken a big boom. Financials is just one part of it because financials, when you study, is a lot of linearity. See, you understand the geometric growth or linear growth. So this like no financial as a subject teaches you a lot of linearity. World today is non-linear. So what happens that somewhere in these field, a more practical experience, a non-linearity kind of world exposure is needed, which is far beyond the curriculum that we study in the CA course. So it's good that people are exploring CFA or some other courses along with it. Do CA need to go back and change their courses? Answer is not. It's a very well-defined course for somebody practicing or doing financial work in the large corporate. Earlier, what used to happen, the lot of roles like research, etc., which you are talking about, needed non-linear thinking because the business models around us were linear. Today, world is evolving. India is also doing extremely well on the technology side. All I'm trying to say is that today students need to be far more open-minded. They need to keep learning with the change of technology. If you are clear, say obviously the bigger problem happens how to get an opportunity to start with. So getting an opportunity itself has become difficult. Keep mapping yourself, speak to the career consultants, they will advise you which are the degrees to pursue. But today every second degree is available online, and lot of things knowledge are available on YouTube. You can learn and progress without spending much money. My sincere advice to you will be map your career, what you want to do, see people around what they are doing, what you need to study, what you need to do to achieve to that course. And once you get into the job, put yourself 100%. Don't be I used to see, and I still being very critical about it. I've seen people getting into one job, working for the next job. My advice to people to have a very good career is to do well in what you have in hand. Things will come on its own. If you don't do well in what you have in hand, believe me, nothing better can happen to you. So if you're doing articleship, don't do don't do casual, don't approach casually. Do it very sincerely. Learn as much as possible, and use it in the next level. Use it in the next level. So neither the C as a course lack anything. It is just that the world around us is very evolutionary, moving forward very fast in different direction. We need to keep ourselves updated. Probably CA plus some other degree, CA plus some soft course. Even as I said, people used to study CA, CS, LLB, CA, CS, ICW. I would recommend people to study CA plus some psychological course, CA plus some coding course, CA plus some, and I see CA plus CFA. How does it help? You have done 2 degrees which are very, very similar. Did it help you to understand something incremental? Probably yes, but not very big incremental. If you do and variety of courses will open both side of your brain, and you will be far more successful in the corporate career is my belief. I may not be right or maybe wrong, But my experience says that don't stick. There's no template to success. The template is that put everything you have to achieve what you want to achieve. Back to you, Amit.
So, so guys, एक्चुअल में प्रकाश आल्सो हैव सम अदर असाइनमेंट. तो ये बेसिकली इसने मेरी रिक्वेस्ट पे आप लोगों को हेल्प करने के लिए ही हैज गिवन हिज टाइम, एक्चुअली बिजी शेड्यूल. तो मैं इस इंटरव्यू को लंबा नहीं खींचना चाहता बिकॉज ही आल्सो हैव अनदर कमिटमेंट, so which he already said to me. So to conclude this interview, I would like to ask Prakash one last thing. In short and sweet manner, he can tell what a CA student or any other like CMA student or CS student, what they can do extra to achieve the success in the career.
See, very difficult to decide what you want to do. Find out what you're good at. Find out where you're good at, where it can be used more. Do what you like. Don't chase what you like. See, 90% plus people I see that they've struggled to find what they like. I always belong to the category where I struggle to find what I like. So what I started doing, liking what I do. So liking what you do will help you a lot. Focus on soft skill. Soft skill is not just communication. It's an interpersonal skill, how to behave with people, how to be more useful to people around yourself. Focus on soft skill. Read books outside your curriculum when you get time. Obviously, CA is a very extensive course, very exhaustive course. But when you have free time, read books. Reading books will help you a lot as a person. And see, a successful career is nothing different than a happy career. If you manage the expectation of people around you and don't worry too much about the world outside, you will have a very happy career. And most importantly, do well, be very sincere to what you do, stick to create a brand for yourself, and it will help you a lot. I thought I did justice with the time which is given to me, but I felt that interview maybe lengthy. Please excuse me for that. And it was very nice of Amit to remember me, and I wish you all the best in your career. And you can drop me queries on my LinkedIn, nothing to do with the stock market, anything on personal thing. I will be more than happy to help any of you. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys, so thank you very much. Thank you very much, Prakash. आपका commitment था, prior commitment was there, even though you gave your basically valuable time. And guys, I will share with you the Prakash Gaurav Goyal LinkedIn profile, so you can directly in touch with him in case if you have any doubt. और अगर हम लोग को future में if Prakash got the time, so we can also have live interaction session. So thank you very much. Bye bye. All the best.
Thank you so much.